So what's the beautiful name?
Maya.
All right, Maya. My question to you today is, what's the worst sex position? What's up, Debo Nation? You know, some day again in the street. And if you're watching the video for the first time, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that post notification bell for future video. So today, I have a banger phone. I want to go over, definitely want you to go and share the video them. Leave a like, a comment. Yeah man, big up on yourself. See you in the next video. So what's the beautiful name?
Lizzie.
Alright, Lizzie. Alright, my first question to you today is, would you prefer to have sex with a monkey or to have your vagina cut out?
May I take a cut out?
You fucked me, you monkey!
So you give monkey one sample and then no say you can please a man after?
God no, that I don't know. Me the monkey.
You the monkey? you know the size of monkey have? Monkey thing na normal, you know? And a backers then love. And a backers monkey love.
You know Sunday Lily.
A backers then love, you know?
You know say they know Sunday Lily.
Monkey sit them. I don't know still, I ask.
When you say they know normal, let me see what
yeah, me watch documentary.
Then me know what you do. They don't have no.
But you know a backers then love.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So what's your worst sex position?
From my head.
For your head?
Yeah.
You say you like, can I get pop?
No.
So what's your best sex position?
Backers.
Backers?
Mm-hmm.
I can't see that. Say it again.
Backers.
Alright. You have an Instagram and shout out?
Instagram again, God. I think it's Queen Lizzie.
Queen Lizzie. What's the beautiful name?
Janice.
Janice. My question to you today is two questions. The first one, what's your worst sex position?
Blood clot. Missionary.
Missionary?
Yeah.
I like that.
I like that. Crazy.
Alright. Alright, so my next question to you. You have to choose between one. Would you prefer to a monkey give you a hard sex or have a vagina cut out?
But cock up pussy give monkey.
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Crazy.
Yeah.
But not cut out my catches.
So you just cock up a game?
Yeah.
Brawling. I'm not wrong here, man, because you want to please a man later, don't?
Crazy.
Thanks. You have an Instagram and shout out?
Love my Instagram.
So what's the beautiful name?
Kimberly.
Kimberly, what is your worst sex position?
I don't really have no worst sex position.
So you never in a position where the man have bend up your reel where you wish he could have eased up you want to stop?
Not really.
So you pop off your neck and it's like not choke you.
Probably true, I probably know the name them like that, but probably.
So which one? Describe it. Describe it. Put way up on your neck. What?
Yeah, probably that. Cause like sometimes like when them put you off the edge of your bed and them do it. Yeah. So.
Alright. So my next question to you today, you have to choose between one or the other. Do you prefer a monkey sex you or you cut out your pussy? Which one?
Monkey not sex. What kind of question is you ask people, sir?
Yeah, come on, you tell me, would you prefer a monkey sex you or cut out your vagina?
Well, it makes sense. I cut out your dead because no monkey not sex me. Because I can't go manage them to something there.
Yo, I'm saying, get right here.
So you never see monkey make woman skirt it, you never want to skirt?
No. Me good if I that for make me skirt then me make it skirting stay.
So you cut out and you can't give your man nothing again?
Well, that's so be it.
Alright, your views, your thoughts, your opinion. We can't fight that.
Shinia.
Aisha.
Alright, so Shini and Aisha, I have two questions today. My first question is, what is your worst sex position?
worst sex position. Well, there's no worst sex position, you know.
One thing you just wish you just, you know, you make a pop off or you put their neck side or maybe the wicked that you wish you just stop. You know, like it.
Well, Mudo says it's the worst, but the artist, I think, Backers, I guess.
Backers.
Yeah.
What's your worst sex position?
Backers.
Backers? Problem.
I wouldn't say worse though.
Alright, you want to say worse?
That one too dangerous. We cannot manage that one.
Alright. Alright, so my next question to you, which is a real question I really want to ask. All of them are real. Alright, so my question to you, would you prefer to have a monkey, you know, have sex with a monkey, or to have your vagina cut out?
Have sex with the monkey. Why cut it out? Like, that's just not right. Me go feel pain when they cut it out, so have sex with the monkey.
Yeah, it's a one time, right?
Yeah.
What about you?
The same thing about me. Why cutting up my vagina? Me not crazy, so.
You say you prefer a monkey.
Me prefer monkey for
You
me.
ever see monkey sex yet?
No.
On TV, but not in real life.
But you know, say Backers in love and like.
Well, I never see a monkey sex before. Well, if I that fi save my vagina from cut it out, me go see a monkey sex.
Alright.
Same?
Alright, you have an Instagram you want to shout out?
No, I'm not on Instagram.
My Instagram is green.aisha. Yes, go and follow me. My at.
What is your beautiful name?
Tash.
Alright, Tash. My question to you today is, I have two questions, but the first one would be, what is your worst sex position?
My worst sex, it would not be the position, it would be who. Because if a person is fun, then there would not be a worst sex position.
Okay. So you have a position where it touches to your core, you're wishing to do it?
Backers. Everybody afraid of backers.
Everybody afraid of Backers, a problem. Alright, so my next question to you then is, would you allow a monkey to have sex with you, or would you cut out your vagina? What would you do?
I would rather cut out my vagina than give a monkey me. That's not gonna work.
Why? Why you want to give a monkey? You don't think monkey can sex good, make you come all over?
Monkey is an animal. Me don't know if women have. Yeah, you hear about it, but me not have sex with animal. So I rather dismiss the vagina because I hit a give me a problem.
Beautiful name?
Carrie.
Alright, Karen. I have two questions for you today. What's your worst sex position?
Back shot.
You see this dash out, is you like back shot?
No.
Alright, so my next question to you today. Would you allow a monkey to have sex with you, or would you prefer to cut out your vagina?
None of them.
No man, you have to answer one, you have to choose. Do you prefer to have a monkey give us some real sex, or would you have your vagina cut out? Which one do you prefer?
I'm already cut out it.
So you tell me, say you cut out you after a monkey down here and have nothing to give nobody else? Eh?
You can't manage.
Oh, you come so far from the camera, eh? So you say you prefer you cut out?
Yes.
Alright then. Alright, do you have any Instagram you want to shout out? What's the beautiful name?
Maya.
Alright, Maya, it's two questions today. First one, what's the worst sex position?
Back shot. I ate up.
Eight up. Alright, so my next question today is, would you prefer for your monkey give us some hard sex, or would you prefer to have your vagina cut out?
Monkey give me hard sex.
Eh? Why?
It better so. You have some man then cocky can give a good fuck.
Oh, my stomach is so much stronger than my arms. What will I do? I can't even resist.
You slapped me, you monkey!
So I prefer a monkey.
Monkey just ram out your belly.
Yeah.
You ever see a monkey sex yet?
No.
Yeah. Even if you watch some documentary, man, Backers then go in and like, you know.
Me love backers.
You love Backers?
Yeah.
Alright. Thanks again. Have Instagram you want to shout out?
None.
Alright. So what's your beautiful name?
Maya.
Alright. Maya, my question to you today is, what's the worst sex position? Boy walk up to you, yeah, and boy, ready to do a thing and you want to put you on a position you don't like it. The worst sex position you could have want to put you on.
I'm not in the worst position, you know.
So which one you feel to your core you wish you not have to do it?
Head top.
Head up?
Yeah.
Sometimes you ring off it. Set aside here. So decide, you ever get cooked naked?
No, you know.
No cooked neck?
No.
Alright. My next question to you is, how do you make one monkey sexier or cut out your crotches? What you do?
My pussy would have to get cut out.
So you know a monkey dog?
Nah, me no monkey but me sorry. Sorry.
Alright, you have an Instagram you want to shout out?
Yeah, you follow me Instagram, one Mary Dan. Follow me TikTok, Mary Dan _1 and some style.
Alright, thank you. Have a